Vice President Leni Robredo slammed President Duterte for granting pardon to U.S. Marine Lance Corporal Joseph Scott Pemberton. Pemberton was convicted for killing transgender woman Jennifer Laude in 2014. Robredo questioned the basis for the pardon, noting that several Filipino inmates continue to languish in jail. Pemberton has been in solitary confinement at Camp Aguinaldo. Robredo stressed Pemberton's pardon shows the government favors powerful individuals over ordinary Filipinos. It was Foreign Affairs Secretary Teodoro Locsin Jr. who announced Pemberton's pardon. On September 1, the Olongapo Regional Trial Court Branch 74 ordered the early release of Pemberton after 5 years in prison.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.